Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 2, whole numbers. We have to start today exercise 2.2. Okay, so we are going to start exercise 2.2 today, and this is the first question. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So what we have to do, हम लोग को क्या करना है कि ऐसा रीअरेंज करना है कि कहीं जहाँ दोनों को ऐड करने से हंड्रेड्स पे आंसर आए, राइट, हंड्रेड्स या थाउजेंड्स में आंसर आए. So see carefully the first number, first and last. If you add 37 with 63, you will get 100. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, what we will do, we will first arrange 83 with 363. Now if we add these two, we will get 8 और 3 यहाँ पे 11 हो रहा है, and just now I told you that if you add these two you will get 100. So that means 1200 we will get 1200 plus 208. Now if we add these two, what you will get, Muthu Prabha?
Yes, sir.
If you add these two, what you will get? Say 208. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं. What you will get if you add these two? 1408. Okay. Okay, fine. Now second question. If you see second question, 62. If you add 62 with 38, you will get 100. Similarly, if you add 53 and 47, you will get 100. So we will make a pair of these two. Okay, 1962 के साथ में 1532 का पेयर बनाएंगे, and we will make a pair with 453 with 647. Right? Now we are going to add these two. See carefully, 19 plus 15 34 होता है, and these two numbers are 100 if you add. Okay, so 34 plus 3400 plus 100 is 3500. Similarly, 4 plus 6 is 10, and 53 plus 47 is 100. So 10 plus 1, 1100, 1100. So we'll get 3500 plus 1100. Aditya, what is the answer if you add these two?
4600.
Very good. 4600. So this is the first question. Now we are moving toward the second question. Find the product by suitable arrangement. जैसा हम लोग ऐड में देखे थे कि just now we have seen in addition that making a pair, we have made the pair such that we are getting 100 on adding. So here we will make a pair such that on multiplying we are getting 100 or 1000. Okay, see carefully. If you multiply 2 and 50, we will get 100. Okay, so what we will do, we will make pair with 2, we'll make a pair with 50, 2 and 50. So this is the first arrangement. So 2 into 50 is 100. 100 into 1768. So how much we are getting? We have to put 20 after this number. So this is 1,76,800. Right?
1,76,800.
Right. Now the second question. Second question, see, if you multiply these two, 4 into 25, we are getting 100. So 4 के साथ में 25 का pairing करेंगे हम लोग. Right? So 4 into 25 is 100. So 100 into 166. So 166 के बाद में क्या करेंगे? 20. Now read this number. 16,000.
16,600.
Right, 16,600. This is the final answer. Okay, now we are moving towards the third bit. Third bit में ध्यान से देखो, if we multiply these two, 8 into 125. If we multiply these two, we are getting 1000. Okay, 125 into 5. So we will make a pair of 8 and 125. Now multiply these two. So 1000 into 291. So after 291, we will put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So this number will become 2,90,000.
91,000.
Very good. 2,91,000.
2,91,000.
Fine. So this is the final answer of third bit. Now we'll move towards the fourth bit. 625 into 279 into 16. Now see carefully. If we multiply these two, we'll get 10,000. 625 into 16, 10,000 होता है, right? ध्यान से देखो. 625, how will you get 25 into 25? And 16 is 4 into 4. So if you multiply these two, you will get 100. If you multiply these two, you will get 100. Suppose if you are not able to identify that 625 into 16 10,000 हो रहा है, तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you can multiply directly. Fine. So the multiplication of these two is 10,000. So 10,000 consists 4 zeros. So what we will do, after 279 we will put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See this number, how will you read?
27 lakhs
27
900.
lakhs
90,000. Very good. 27 lakhs 90,000.
1,000.
Okay. Now the fifth question. Now in the fifth question, if you multiply these two, you will not get any hundreds. If you multiply these two, you will not get 100. So we will multiply these two. 5 into 60. We'll get 300.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
अब 285 into 3 करेंगे हम लोग. 285 into 3, if you do rough work multiplication, you will get 855. उसके बाद 2 0 लगा दो. So this is the final answer.
85,500.
Right, 85,500. Now we'll move toward the last question. अभी last question में देखो ध्यान से. 125 into 8 1000 होता है, and 40 into 25 is also 1000. So we'll make these two pairs. So 1000 into 1000. So both, if we combine both, so we are getting 6 zeros. Okay, so we'll get this number.
Sir, 10 lakhs.
Very
So
good.
10
10
lakhs.
lakhs.
10 lakhs.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving towards question number 3. Find the value of the following. तो ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ यूज करना है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में देखो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी कैन टेक कॉमन 297. सी 297 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. सो हियर व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर 17 एंड हियर प्लस 3. So if you take common 297 into 17 plus 3 by using distributive law. If you want, you can mention here also. Okay, distributive law. Yeah, distributive property. So now 17 plus 3 is 20. Now multiply 297 with 2. You will get 594. 594 के बाद एक 0 लगा दो. So this is the final answer.
5,940.
5,940.
5,940. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question. Next question में भी common term देख लो. Common number ये दोनों हैं, but ये left side में नहीं लिखा है. तो what we will do, we will apply commutative property between these two first. उसको reverse कर दो order को ऐसे. Now you can take common these two. So here 92 is left and here plus 8 will be left by using distributive property. Now 92 plus 8 is 100. So 54,279 के बाद में क्या करना है, 20 लगा देना है. We will put 2 zeros after 54,279. So how will you read this number?
54 lakhs.
54 lakhs.
एक मिनट. कोई एक बताएगा, ठीक है? आदित्य तुम बताओ.
54 lakhs 27,900.
Right, good. Now the next bit. 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So here also we can take these two common. And what is left over here 169. और यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये माइनस साइन है इसलिए माइनस 69 बचेगा by using distributive property. Now 169 minus 69 is 100. So 81,265 into 100. So what we will do, we will put 2 zeros after 81,265. एक मिनट. भूमिका How will you read this answer?
Yes, sir.
How will you read this answer?
Yes, sir.
How will you read this
Sir.
answer?
Sir, 80. Sir, 81 lakh 25,500.
26. 81 lakhs 26,500. Okay, fine. Now we are moving towards the third last bit. Now in the last bit, we don't have any common numbers. So what we will do, थोड़ा से यहाँ पे 5 है and we can split 25. 25 how will you split? 5 into 5 like that. Okay. Now see, if you multiply this two, if you multiply 769 into 5, you will get 3,845. So what we will do, we will multiply 769 into 5. Okay, इसको देखो multiply किए तो ये मिल गया. Now what is common between these two terms? ये पूरा common है देखो. 3,845 into 5 is common in both the terms. And what will be left over here? 782 or 280, right? 782 plus 218 will be left by using distributive property. Whether this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so on
sir.
adding these two, we will get 1000. And if you multiply these two, we'll get 19,225. So what we have to do, we have to put 3 zeros after 19,225. Now this number will become, wait, I will ask Roshni, how will you read
Sir.
this number?
1 crore 92 lakhs 25,000.
Very good. 1 crore 92 lakhs 25,000. Okay, now we are moving towards fourth question. Find the product using suitable properties. So usually we will use a distributive property for all this question. So let us start with the first question. 738 into 108. So 103 we can write. How we can write 100 ohm? 103. 103 how will you write? Manal? Soma Sahiti? How will you write 103? 100 plus 3? Okay. Now we will use distributive property. So 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. Now 738 into 100 में क्या होगा, 2 0 यहाँ पे लगा देंगे. So we will get 73,800. Now if we multiply these two, we will get 2,214. Now this two we have to add. 2, 2, 1, 4. So यहाँ पे 1 4 मिलेगा. 0, 6, 7. So 76014. So this is the final answer. 76,014. Okay, now second bit. Given 854 into 102. So how will you split 102?
100 plus 2.
Right, 100 plus 2.
Sir, 100 plus
एक
100.
बार आंसर दे दिया ना तो बार बार दूसरे लोग आंसर नहीं देंगे, राइट? सो 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2 by using distributive property, right? So this will be 85,400, and if you multiply these two, we'll get 1,708. Now if we add these two, ध्यान से देखो. So this is 8, this is 0, and we'll get 1 here with carry 1, 7, 8. So 87108. That is 87,108. So we have completed the second bit. Now we are moving toward the third bit. 258 into 1008. So how will you split 1008?
1000 plus 8.
Okay, very good. 1000 plus 8.
1000 plus 8.
Over. 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8 by using distributive property. So after 258 we will put 30. So this number we will get, and 258 into 8 we will get 2064. Right? Now if we add, we'll get from here 064, last 3 digits. Now this to 10, so 260064. So 2,60,064. Okay, now last question. 1005 into 168. So 1005, how will you write?
Sir,
1000.
1,005.
Yes. 1000 plus 5. Over 1000 plus 5. Now see, हम लोग अब राइट साइड से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. 168 into 1000. Okay, 1000 into 168 and 5 into 168 by using distributive property. So if you how will you multiply? Put 3 zeros after 168 and 168 into 5 is 840. Now ये दोनों का ऐड करेंगे तो 840 मिलेगा. 30 plus 840. So 168,840. That is 1,68,850. So this is fourth question. Now we are moving towards the fifth question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So Monday को उसने fill किया 40 liter. Okay, next day means Tuesday को 50 liters. So altogether how many liters he filled? 40 plus 50.
90 liters. 90 liters.
Yes, 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50. Petrol quantity filled on Monday is 40 liters. किसी का mic on है देखो. And petrol quantity filled on Tuesday is 50 liters. And total petrol quantity filled is equals to 40 plus 50 liters. That is 90. We will add later. Cost of 1 liter petrol is given 44 rupees. So total money spent will be 44 into 40 plus 90. That is 40 plus 50. So 40 plus 50 is nothing but this is 90. So 44 into 90, 44 into 9 hota hai 396. So we'll put 1 0. So this is the final answer, 3,960. Okay. So now we are moving towards question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk cost 45 per liter, 45 rupees per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So first of all, morning में उसने milk दिया 32 liter and he supplied in the evening 68 liters. So cost of 1 liter milk is 45 rupees and the total cost of milk per day will be 45 into the sum of these two. And the sum of these two is nothing but this is 100. So 45 into 100. So we'll get
4,500.
Yes, 4,500. Hence the money is due to the vendor per day is rupees 4,500. Right. Now we are moving toward the last question of this exercise, match the following. Okay, जिससे पूछूंगा वही आंसर देगा. So first 425 into 136. 136 we can write in this way, 6 plus 30 plus 100. Okay. So इसमें ध्यान से देखो, ये into जो है ये प्लस के ऊपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है. So which option is correct, Muthu Prabha?
Yes, sir.
Which option is correct?
Sir, B.
No. See, into is distributed over plus, then only you get this one.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? यहाँ पे जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव मीन्स जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं प्लस के ऊपर. इसके बाद जो स्टेप्स लिखेंगे 136, how we wrote 6 plus 30 plus 100. Now after that what you will do? This into this plus this into this plus this into this. That means we will use this property. Okay. So first का जो आंसर है वो C है. नाउ सेकंड में ध्यान से देखो, ये प्रोडक्ट में है पूरा, और हम लोग क्या किए, ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज किए, देखो ऑर्डर चेंज किए। ऑर्डर चेंज वाला प्रॉपर्टी को क्या बोलते हैं, कम्यूटिविटी, ठीक है, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। सो कम्यूटेटिविटी अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट। अब एक ही बच गया, एडिशन में भी हम लोग देखो इसका ऑर्डर चेंज किए, तो ये भी कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी हो गया अंडर एडिशन। ओके, एनी डाउट हियर?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the next topic, order of operations. So कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन को जब हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर हम लोग यूज करते हैं, so that we are going to learn. Okay, I'm repeating once again, while simplifying any operation which contains bracket, multiplication or addition, division, so we'll follow some rule, right? And that rule is called Bodmas rule. BODMAS. B for bracket, right? B for bracket. O for off. Off means nothing but multiplication. जैसे 3 of 3 2 बोलेंगे तो 3 into 2 करना है, right? And D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So in this order we have to follow to simplify any expression which contains brackets and different types of operations. So we'll see one example. ध्यान से देखो, एक example ले रहे हैं. In this, how many operations are there? Bracket is there, O off is there, and division is there, right? So first we will simplify the bracket, right? We will first simplify inside the bracket. So inside the bracket में देखो 15 minus 8, this will become 7, okay, and 4 plus 6, this will become 10. तो 7 of 10 divided by 5 हो जाएगा. Now O ऑपरेशन और D ऑपरेशन है यहाँ पर. So O और D में कौन सा पहले है यहाँ पर? O means multiplication. So we will do this one first. इसको पहले हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. तो 7 of 10 means 7 into 10. Okay, 7 into 10 कितना हो जाएगा? 70. And 70 divided by 5 is 14. So 14 is the answer. यहाँ पे don't confuse with off. Off is an operator which means multiplication, right? But it is solved before division. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन के बाद आता है, लेकिन जब वो लिखा रहेगा इनटू के सिंबल में, अगर ऑफ के सिंबल में लिखा है तो ऑफ पहले सॉल्व करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? चलो अब कुछ एग्जांपल्स और करते हैं हम लोग. 2 into 5 plus 3 minus 10. A very simple example. So first we have to simplify the bracket. 5 plus 3 को simplify करेंगे. 5 plus 3 is 8, right?
8.
तो यहाँ पे देखो ये into है और ये subtraction है. So which operation you have to perform first? Into. So 16 minus 10. So what is the final answer?
6.
6, right?
Sir, it's 6.
Now the next question, 5 plus 2 into 4 plus 3. Which operation we will perform first?
Brackets.
Yes, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to
7.
7.
7.
Right. Okay. Jennifer, what is 2 into 7? Jennifer,
Yes, sir.
जिससे पूछ रहा हूँ वही आंसर दे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है ना. 5 plus 14. चलो. Next question. Virat Gaud, what is the sum?
Yes, sir.
14 plus 5?
Sir, 19.
Very good, 19. So ये तो हो गया एक फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. वी विल सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल जिसमें बहुत सारे ऑपरेशंस हैं. चलो, सो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट बिट देखते हैं. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फर्स्ट, श्राव्या?
Sir, we have to simplify the brackets.
वेरी गुड. सो एक मिनट श्राव्या, चलो तुम ही आंसर दो. 7 plus 2?
9.
10 minus 3?
7.
7. Very good. 8 minus 3?
5.
5, राइट. उसके बाद डिवाइडेड बाय 5 भी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ये डिवाइडेड है, ये दिस इज डिवाइड सिंबल. ओके, मिस्टेक हो गया. सो हम लोग को ये वाला स्टेप मिल गया, राइट. अब 9 into 7, इसमें हम लोग यहाँ पे इंटू है, प्लस है और डिवाइड है. विच ऑपरेशन वी हैव टू डू फर्स्ट, गीतम? इंटू प्लस डिवाइड.
Sir?
Which operation we have to do first?
Sir, into.
Into. Very good. Because in both mass m will come first. ऐसा है. Which will come first? Both mass. BOD MAS. Into पहले आएगा. ब्रैकेट पहले आएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो ये जो ब्रैकेट्स में जो लिखा हुआ है, इसको पहले हम लोग को ब्रैकेट हटाना है. वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस ब्रैकेट. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फिर ऑपरेशन हम लोग देखेंगे. सो दिस इज 63, दिस इज 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. नाउ टू ऑपरेशंस आर देयर, प्लस एंड डिवाइड. विच ऑपरेशन यू हैव टू परफॉर्म फर्स्ट? शेख मोहम्मद, प्लस को पहले सॉल्व करोगे कि डिवाइड को?
सर डिवीजन.
डिवीजन. वेरी गुड. तो क्या मिल रहा है 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 5?
Sir,
7, right. 7. 63 plus 7 is 70. So this is the final answer. Now let us move towards the second question. Second question के लिए 1 मिनट. आदित्य, which operation you have to perform first?
brackets.
Brackets. So what is 30 divided by 10?
3.
3. 9 minus 7?
2.
2. 3 plus 5?
8.
8. So we will get this one. Okay. अब इसके बाद फिर से ब्रैकेट हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. दिस विल बिकम 6 into 4 plus 8 into 8. नाउ into है, प्लस है और into है. Which operation you have to do first?
Multiplication.
Jashmita, which operation?
Sir, into.
Into. तो ये दोनों को into करेंगे. What you will get? Jashmita, 6 into 4.
What, sir?
6 into 4. Kaustuba, 6 into 4.
Sir, 24.
24. 8 into 8.
64.
Very good. Now Kaustuba, you only tell 24 plus 64 कितना होगा? इसके नीचे लिख के देखो. 2 4.
Sir, 88.
Okay, fine. 88.
Sir,
Okay. Now next topic we are going to use, going to start patterns in whole numbers. Okay, so we shall try to arrange some numbers in elementary shapes, made up of some dots like line, rectangle, triangle, square. Okay, and every number should be arranged in one of this shape. हर एक नंबर को हम लोग को इसमें से कोई ना कोई एक शेप पे अरेंज करेंगे. Okay, so no other shape is allowed, only line, rectangle, square and triangle. Right, so every number 1 2 3 4 5, any number, every number can be arranged as a line. देखो कैसे करेंगे. द नंबर 1 को हम लोग सिंगल डॉट से लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नंबर 2 को 2 डॉट से लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज 1 लाइन. And number 3 we can represent as 3 dots. This is 1 line. Number 4, this is number 4. Okay, the number 4 is shown as by 4 dots. Okay, and so on. We can represent any number as a line. Okay, so any doubt in this one?
no, sir.
Okay, fine.
No,
So
sir.
similarly, some numbers can be shown also as rectangles. So किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. Now for example, the number 12. How can you write 12 in terms of product? How can you write 12? 12 को किस दो नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कैसे लिखोगे?
6 plus 6 more.
Into 2. 6 into 2. और
4 into
Sir,
6.
2 into 6.
4 into 3.
4 into 3. Very good.
4 into 3.
4
3
into
into
3.
4 into
Right,
3.
right. एक मिनट हो गया. The number 12 can be shown as a rectangle. We have 12 is equals to 3 into 4 and or 12 is equals to 2 into 6. Okay. This can be shown by dots which forms a rectangle and so are known as rectangular number. Okay. So there are many rectangular numbers like this. Like 18 we can write 3 into 6, 2 into 9. राइट सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. 3 into 4 देखो एक रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट में आ गया. 3 रोज है और 4 कॉलम्स हैं. सो इट विल फॉर्म अ रेक्टेंगल ऐसे. ये समझ में आ रहा है? इट विल फॉर्म अ रेक्टेंगल. राइट. सिमिलरली 2 into 6, 2 rows 6 कॉलम. सो एक लाइन यहां पर आ गया. ये वाला एक लाइन है. दिस इज लेंथ एंड दिस इज ब्रेथ. whether this is clear to all of you? Like that rectangle will form. Okay. Now some numbers can also be arranged as a square. So हम लोग कुछ पैटर्न्स को देखते हैं. ध्यान से देखो. सिंगल डॉट we can write 1 into 1, that is 1 square. ठीक है. किसी भी नंबर को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करने से उसको स्क्वायर से डिनोट करते हैं. Square you will learn in class 8. So 1 into 1 is 1, nothing but it is 1. Now we will use 2 by 2, 2 into 2. So इसको 2 square बोलते हैं. Right? 2 is multiplied 2 times.
So cube will be
2 square and this is nothing but this is 4. ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे square मिल रहा है हम लोग को. If we join these dots, you will get square. Similarly 3 by 3, 3 into 3, that is 3 square 9. यहाँ पर भी देखो, you will get 1 square if you join the outer dots. Similarly 4 by 4, that is 4 into 4, 4 square 16. 16 dots are there. See, इसमें भी अगर हम लोग join करते हैं so we'll get square. देखो ध्यान से. Right. Similarly 5 by 5, 5 into 5, that is 5 square 25. So this also you can show by joining the outer dots. ऐसे join करके show कर सकते हैं. Right, जैसे मैं show कर रहा हूँ अभी. Right. So that means the number 1, first number is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on, which forms squares, are called square numbers. So any doubt in this one, square numbers?
No, sir.
Okay. Now some numbers can also be arranged as triangles. किसी का mic on है देखो. Some numbers can also be arranged as triangles. Okay, now look at the following diagrams which is made with dots. First one is 1 and the second one is 1 plus 2. See, triangle is the triangle is formed if we join these dots. 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. This will also form triangle if we join the outer dots. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here also we are getting triangle if we join these dots like that. So this is nothing but this is 10. So the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 which forms triangles are called triangular number. Okay. So now we are moving towards some number patterns. See this number. We can use pattern to guide us in simplifying processes. Study the following. ध्यान से देखो 65 into 99. 99 we can write 100 minus 1. So 6500 minus 65. This is equals to 6435. That is 6435. Similarly, the second one 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. So this is 65,000 minus 1 minus 65. You will get this answer. अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो इसमें कुछ सिमिलरिटी दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे एक 9 है, यहाँ पे 2 9 है, यहाँ पे 3 9 है. तो इसके बाद वाले नंबर पे कितना, हाउ मेनी नाइन्स विल बी देयर? 4. आफ्टर दैट 5. Like that it will be increasing. So now we have to write 4 steps. And can you find out how the patterns works? तो पूरा सॉल्व करके हम लोग को दिखलाना पड़ेगा. So first question, we have taken already in the question 99,999. So the next number will be 9,99,999. So again 10 lakhs minus 1 हो जाएगा. Okay, so it will be 6 lakhs. एक मिनट, 1 2 3 6, हाँ ठीक है, 6,50,000. 6 crore 50 lakhs, sorry, 6 crore 50 lakhs minus 65. So we'll get 6 crore 49 lakhs 99,935. This is the first step. Now the second step, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो 6 9s are there, तो हम लोग अभी 7 9s यूज करेंगे. अगर एक और 9 लगा दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 99 lakhs हो जाएगा, राइट? सो 65 into 99 lakhs, 99,999. ओके, सो इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 crore minus 1. So 65 crore minus 1. It will be equals to 64 crore 99 lakhs 99,935. Okay. Now the seventh one, एक और 9 बढ़ जाएगा यहाँ पर. Okay. So how will you read this number? ध्यान से देखो, करोड़ के बाद अरब आता है. 9 अरब 99 crore. Wait, sorry, 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग का 10 crore minus 1 आ जाएगा. So 65 into 10 crore, it will be 650 crore minus 65. So we will get 649 crore या 6 अरब 49 crore 99 lakhs 99,935. अब ध्यान से देखो पैटर्न कैसे काम कर रहा है. बीच में यहाँ पे 3 9s था, यहाँ पे 4 9 हो गया, यहाँ पे 5 9 और यहाँ पे 6 9. नेक्स्ट नंबर का आंसर अभी नाउ यू कैन गेस. 6 4 7 times 9 35. ओके, say this one. Now how will you read this number? 65 into 99 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. So in this place we can write 100 crore minus 1, right? So if you multiply 65 into this, you will get 6,500 crore minus 65. So the final answer will be 64 Arab 99 crore 99 lakhs 99,935. Like that you have to find out how the pattern works. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question. Identify the rule in the pattern and write the next 3 terms. तो पहले हम लोग नंबर लिख लेते हैं. Now ध्यान से देखो 2 में कितना ऐड करने से 7 आया? +5. अगेन 7 में +5 करने से 12 आ रहा है. अगेन 12 में +5 करने से 17 आ रहा है. +5 +5 +5. So next 3 terms we have to write. So what we have to do, again we have to plus 5. So plus 5 करेंगे तो 22 मिलेगा. Again 22 में plus 5 करेंगे तो 27. Again 27 में plus 5 करेंगे तो, right? So rule क्या है? Add 5 to the previous term to get the next term in the pattern. देखो यहाँ पे मिलेगा 22, 27, 32. Right? So the next 3 numbers in the pattern are 22, 27 and 32. So we'll see one more pattern, 2, 6, 18, 54, so on, and write the next 3 numbers. You have to identify the rule कि वो pattern कैसे काम कर रहा है, and you have to write the next 3 terms. So first we will write the numbers. Okay. So ध्यान से देखो, इन दोनों का जो difference है वो 4 है, और इन दोनों का जो difference है वो 12 है, और इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है वो 6 कितना है इसमें 36 है, राइट? और इन 2 में अगर 3 से इंटू किए तो क्या मिल रहा है? इंटू 3 6. मैं जो रूल फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ, 6 इंटू 3 18, 18 इंटू 3 54. दैट मीन्स हम लोग अगर प्रीवियस टर्म में अगर 3 इंटू कर रहे हैं, so we'll get the next term. So the rule I got into 3 करने से next term मिल रहा है. So multiply the previous term by 3 to get the next term. This is the rule. Now we are going to multiply. The first number is 162, the second number is 486, and the third number is 1458. So these are the required 3 numbers. Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question. Last question. Identify the, एक मिनट, दोनों सेम. Okay. Identify the rule in the pattern 4, 15, 8, 19, 12, 23, 16 dash 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 and write the missing term. Okay, so ध्यान से देखो ये रूल कैसे काम कर रहा है. 4 में प्लस 11 किए, प्लस 11, राइट? सो 15 आ गया, फिर कम हो गया -7, फिर प्लस 11, फिर -7, फिर प्लस 11, फिर -7. सो नेक्स्ट में प्लस 11 करना है. दिस इज प्लस 11 and this we have to -7. Again this we have to plus 11, right? So this will be 27. -7 करेंगे तो 20 हो जाएगा, और प्लस 11 करेंगे तो 31 हो जाएगा, राइट? सो रूल क्या है इसमें?
+11 -7.
Right. Add 11 to the one term and subtract 7 from the term obtained. So 16 plus 11, 27 we got. 27 minus 7, 20 we got. 20 plus 11, 31 we got. And so the missing terms are 27, 30 and 31. Okay, this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving toward the assignment questions. So these are the 3 questions you have to complete and you have to submit through Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.